Charcoal and More, located just north of Louisville, across the Ohio River in Sellersburg, Indiana. If there's one thing they know more than charcoal, that's grilling.
This is Hal Wagner with Charcoal and More. We're located at 840 South Penn in Sellersburg, Indiana, just over the river from Louisville, Kentucky. We're very proud to be a Green Mountain dealer. Come in and see us. We'll make you a great deal. We got them in stock. Or look us up on the web at charcoalandmore.com.